the radiant allure of California's Venice, where innovation echoes through the canals, a middle-aged alchemist named Bryan Johnson attempts to rewrite the narrative of aging. With a net worth soaring into 9 figures, Johnson boldly invests $2 million each year in a bold project to hack his biology. At 47, he is determined to regain his youthful vigor and unveil a rigorous body transformation routine. This is a remarkable story of Project Blueprint, where Johnson aims to rejuvenate his vital organs and function like an 18-year-old once again.
The Silicon Valley Alchemist.
In the golden age of 30, Bryan Johnson produced a financial coup, selling Braintree payment solutions to eBay for an astounding $800 million in cash. A decade later, he stands at the intersection of wealth and audacious experimentation. A modern-day alchemist driven by the pursuit of eternal youth, Johnson's journey transcends into the realms of conventional aging, challenging the boundaries of what is deemed possible in the quest for longevity. Guided by an elite team of 30 doctors and regenerative health experts, John's daily regimen is nothing short of symphony conducted by experts in the fields of medicine and longevity. With meticulous precision, they promise him the heart of a 37-year-old, the skin of a 28-year-old, and the lung capacity of an 18-year-old. Johnson's motivations reach beyond the materialistic. He aspires to unravel the secrets of self-harm and decay, becoming a trailblazer in the uncharted territories of biohacking. This Silicon Valley alchemist is rewriting the rules, and in his hands, the elements of time seem to be under negotiation.
The Blueprint unveiled.
Project Blueprint, a name that suits the grand scale of Bryan Johnson's goals, is at the core of his journey into biohacking. He reveals a dedicated commitment as he explains the detailed elements of his transformative routine. The foundation is a carefully measured vegan diet of 1,977 calories per day. This is combined with daily hour-long workouts and high-intensity exercises 3 times a week. These elements create the environment where Johnson hopes to challenge the usual aging norms. Considered extreme by doubters, this regimen proves human resilience and unwavering determination. In the rhythm of his everyday existence, supplements, green juices, and closely monitored vital signs compose the melodies of Johnson's unique pursuit. The introduction of Project Blueprint is more than just a personal experiment. It is a bold declaration, challenging the usual story of aging.
The anatomy of transformation.
As the sun rises in Venice, Bryan Johnson's exploration into the world of biohacking extends beyond the confines of daylight. He wakes up at 5 a.m. and follows a ritualistic routine, a carefully crafted symphony of self-care and revitalization. The alchemist's morning begins with 24 supplements, a blend aimed at energizing the cellular machinery within his body. Throughout the day, he nourishes himself with green juice containing creatine and collagen peptides, nurturing the vessel that houses Johnson's tireless spirit. The attention to detail is evident in his dental care, where he uses tea tree oil and antioxidant gel with precision. When bedtime approaches, he wears glasses that blocks blue light for 2 hours, paying homage to the significance of sleep in the regeneration process. However, the night brings to light a distinctive facet of Johnson's dedication, monitoring nighttime erections, a metric that serves as a gauge for the progression of his endeavor. This intimate connection with his body shows the profound measures he is prepared to take in the pursuit of rejuvenation. Johnson's exploration into the mechanics of transformation goes beyond the physical, delving into the complexities of the human spirit's resilience against the passage of time.
A billionaire's struggle.
Beneath the surface of luxury unfolds a tale of hardship. Numerous obstacles marked by Bryan Johnson's pursuit of everlasting youth. He opens up about a history marked by excess, weight, depression, and a near encounter with suicide, consequences of unrelenting stress and demanding work schedules. However, these challenges ignited his resolve to push the limits of aging and longevity. As the CEO of Kernel, a startup dedicated to developing brain signal tracking helmets priced at $50,000, Johnson lives out his mission. He brings it to the forefront of the technological innovation.
The prodigy and the protagonist.
Dr. Oliver Zollman, a 29-year-old physician and the visionary leading the medical team for Project Blueprint, is at the core of Bryan Johnson's biohacking narrative. Zollman's bold objective to decrease the medical age of each organ by an unprecedented 25% resonates throughout the modern medical landscape. His youthful energy is a driving force, pushing the limits of what has conventionally been considered genetically possible. As the architect of Johnson's transformative journey, Zollman plays a central role in the unfolding story. He believes an individual can be 45 years old chronologically, but have organs functioning at a 35-year-old level, a conviction that underscores the magnitude of their shared aspirations. Zollman's role goes beyond that of a traditional doctor. He emerges as a trailblazer, challenging established norms in medical science. In this dynamic duo of prodigy and protagonist, the narrative evolves into a personal quest and a revolutionary exploration of human body's potential for regeneration and renewal.
Project Blueprint's technological frontier.
Beyond the rituals and routines, Johnson's quest extends into cutting-edge technology. As the CEO of Kernel, he pioneers $50,000 helmets measuring brain signals, unlocking the mysteries of meditation and pharmaceutical interventions on chronic pain. This technological foray underscores Johnson's commitment to personal rejuvenation and advancing the frontiers of science.
The critics and the online backlash.
As Bryan Johnson immerses himself deeper into his biohacking odyssey, a chorus of critics emerges from the shadows. The online sphere becomes a battleground where skepticism clashes with enthusiasm of Johnson's unorthodox pursuit of eternal youth. The scrutiny intensifies, questioning the sanity and necessity of such an extreme routine. Social media platforms become echo chambers for opinions, with some dismissing Johnson's endeavors as a luxury of the wealthy. Yet, Johnson remains resolute in the face of his online backlash. He sees beyond the surface-level critiques, viewing his journey not as an extravagant pursuit reserved for the elite, but as a bold attempt to challenge societal norms about aging. Johnson becomes a polarizing figure in the clash between skepticism and steadfast determination. The online backlash becomes a subplot, revealing the tension between societal expectations and an individual's unwavering commitment to rewriting the narrative of aging. It becomes a poignant reflection on the intersection of personal choices and public scrutiny in the digital age.
Zollman's bold proposition.
Dr. Oliver Zollman, the architect of Johnson's medical transformation, becomes a central figure in this saga. Zollman's audacious goal to reduce the medical age of each organ by 25% stands as a linchpin of Project Blueprint. The physician believes that no person can be 45 chronologically, but 35 in every organ, underscores the magnitude of their aspirations. Zollman's bold proposition becomes a beacon for a medical breakthrough that transcends genetic boundaries.
Implications for society at large.
As Johnson's journey unfolds, the narrative widens its lens to encompass societal implications. The question arises, how does the biohacking journey of an ultra-wealthy individual impact the broader population? The chasm between those with access to a team of doctors and state-of-the-art medical facilities and the majority becomes palpable. The biohacking odyssey transcends an individual's pursuit, delving into a discourse on the future of healthcare accessibility and societal well-being.
Johnson's vision for the future.
It's not just about personal rejuvenation. It's about rewriting the narrative of aging for humanity. His commitment to pushing the boundaries, both biologically and technologically, becomes a harbinger of what might be possible for the human race. Johnson's journey extends beyond himself. It becomes a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge and self-improvement. As Johnson confronts online criticism for his extreme routine, he maintains his stance. What may sound harsh to some is a groundbreaking pursuit to challenge the status quo. While the narrative reflects an individual's quest for immortality, it also sparks broader questions. how does the ultra-rich's access to cutting-edge healthcare impact society at large? Is Bryan Johnson's journey merely a personal pursuit, or does it carry implications that resonate beyond his rich abode? In Venice, where canals weave tales of luxury and eccentricity, Bryan Johnson's $2 million biohacking routine is a testament to the unbeatable human spirit, a Silicon Valley alchemist, a billionaire struggle, and a medical odyssey. Johnson's journey is an extraordinary saga, unraveling the mysteries of aging and pushing the boundaries of what's genetically possible. As we conclude this extraordinary journey into Bryan Johnson's quest for eternal youth, consider the profound implications of Project Blueprint. The fusion of science, determination, and innovation has ignited a beacon illuminating the uncharted territories of longevity. Now it's your turn to be part of this conversation. Like this video if you found inspiration in Johnson's audacious pursuits, share it with those who believe in pushing the boundaries, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on the future of aging and biohacking. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more riveting explorations into the frontiers of science and human potential.